Part 1. It's got it upstairs. And we live with the spiders because they're part of me. Ooh. You're a smart one, Joan. No spiders up here. It goes out the door. I'm sorry. We all three of us live in here. And we have no belongings but a smoke detector. Model number SA90LTBR. And this hand puppet that squirts water. People with no control. My skirt's gonna come off. I like it. I want to keep it on. This is very high up off the ground. Time to get up here. This is not going to support my weight, is it?
Oh, 3 people have slept on it before.
Okay, I'm safe. All 3 of us sleep up here. Me, and Ned, and Nancy. And we all are very happy up here with our hand puppet that squirts water when you point it downwards. There he goes! Bite you. I sleep away from these spiders. Over here. And we have stars and spider bodies that are dead. Lots of spider bodies that are dead. Joan. I can see him move. And this is what we do in Pilates. And then we sleep. For 2 minutes.
God, this guy.
Oh. Look at these stars, they glow.
I can't see the stars. Ooh.
Oh, there they are. This is my campaign, not the stars. Looks like your hair, Joe.
Looks like your hair.
I know. My hair's lots of different colors.
Like a
Black
rainbow.
and medium auburn and blondish green from swimming in pee pools. The public pee pools. What was that, Joan? It's like an eye watching me. Okay.
Let's go.
Ta-da! I tricked you.
I don't like this game.
I like
Trying to get the camera wet.
Nature just tastes so good. That's for Joan.